Hello everyone, this is Assistant Professor Tanvi Panchal from LG Integrated MBA. I am here to discuss about the subject Introduction to Event Management, which is hereby bifurcated into 4 modules. We will discuss each module in detail in a pattern of video sessions. These video sessions will give you clarity in understanding the whole purview of event management as a career option. Events play an interesting role in our lives. We love to celebrate, get together, to learn and share new experiences. In today's scenario, events are an organized business. Nowadays, organizations also hire services of experts to organize variety of events. Experts who undertake this type of work are known as event planners or event managers. They provide consultancy and undertake the task of right from the planning stage till the final execution of the event. As I said, the subject is bifurcated into 4 modules, into which Module 1 discusses about the fundamental concepts of events and event management. Module 2 focuses on the process of organizing events, that is, from the planning stage till the successful execution of the event. Module 3 describes the major functions of an event manager and the event management companies. And Module 4 focuses on organizing different types of events such as award ceremonies, exhibitions, charity events, etc. So now let's begin with Module 1. For more clear understanding, I have divided Module 1 into 4 different parts. Part 1 focuses on the events, types of events, event management characteristics, need and scope. Part 2 focuses on the decision makers involved in event management, requirement of event manager. Part 3 focuses on the technical staff involved in event and the analyzing of event. And Part 4 focuses on developing record-keeping systems and policies and procedures in event management. So let's begin with the Part 1 of Module 1, which includes the definition of event, types of events, meaning of event management, its characteristics, need and scope. Definition of event. According to Professor Philip Kotler, events are defined as the occurrences designed to communicate particular messages to the target audience. In simple terms, events is an occasion where people get together for fulfillment of a particular purpose or aim. Now, it is equally important to identify your target audience while organizing any event. Now, for example, if an educational institution is organizing any exhibition, so its target audience will be the students of the schools, colleges or universities, or it may be the faculty members or principals or the directors. So now, let's discuss the various categories of events, which includes corporate events, cultural events, educational events, private events, sports events, art or entertainment events, political events, and charity or fundraising events. The first category of the event is corporate events. Now, corporate events includes the business networking events or meets, in-house organizational meetings, business dinners, or product launching event. The next category is cultural events. Now, cultural events includes various types of cultural and traditional processions like carnivals, mahotsavs, or festivals going around in the world. The next category is educational events. Educational events includes the education fairs, workshops, seminars, or it may be convocation events also. The next category is a private event. Now, private event includes the birthday parties or the family get-togethers, or it may be a wedding or a reception event. The next category, we move on to a sports event. Now, sports events includes the Olympic Games, World Cups, marathons, and many more competition or matches going around in the world. As you can see, the examples of Indian Premier League, FIFA World Cup, and Indian Pro Kabaddi League. The next category of the event is art or entertainment events, which includes award ceremonies, fashion shows, or jewelry exhibitions. Even it can be art gallery exhibition or music concerts. Now, the next category is political events.
Political events includes the political processions like rallies or voting campaigns or any political functions going around by the leaders. The next category is charity or fundraising events. Now, this last category of the event are charity and fundraising event. Now, any event can be turned into fundraising or cause related or awareness creation. For example, marathons, Go Green, or Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. It can be charitable auctions also. So, all these were the types or the various categories of events. Now, let's move on to event management. Event management is the application of project management to the creation and development of large scale events such as conferences, ceremonies, weddings, formal parties, concerts, or conventions. It involves studying the brand, identifying its target audience, devising the event concept, and coordinating the technical aspects before actually launching the event. So, for the smooth and successful execution of the event, you need to identify your correct target audience along with conveying any particular message or awareness to them. So, let's move on to the main topic of event management, that is the characteristics of event management. The first characteristic of event management is a creative process. Now, your team must be creative and dynamic enough to come up with new ideas. Now, this can be enhanced by conducting brainstorming sessions with your team members. The next characteristic is objective. Your event must be goal oriented. Every event has an objective to achieve, that is, every event is organized to convey a particular message to the audience. The next characteristic of the event is effective leadership. Now, event manager must motivate his or her employees. It is his duty to boost up his employees for the successful execution of the event. The next is successful promotion. It is very much necessary to promote your event on various social media sites or via print media. Similarly, it is equally important to manage good public relations in the market. The last characteristic is planning and control. It is a very important characteristic of event management. Before planning any event, you should develop a mission statement for the event. Now, establish the objectives for the same and then prepare the event proposal and finish up by evaluating the performance of the event. So, the next topic here we move on to is the need for event management. Needed everywhere. Now, in today's scenario, event management is an organized business and it is needed everywhere into each and every sector, whether be it an entertainment sector or government, fashion, sports, music, or let it be organization or education. Teamwork. It is very much necessary to work as a team, which will lead to sharing of new ideas, experiences. You will get to explore new things, explore new ways of working together. Strong leadership. Now, it is also important to take corrective measures or corrective actions when any deviation occurs in an ongoing event. Thus, you need to have a good presence of mind. And last, the creative thinking. Always try to think out of the box. It is very much important to be creative in your own way. To become unique, to have a unique selling point in your event management company is very much important to go ahead in this field and career. So, this was the need of event management. The last topic, that is the scope of event management. Creative challenge. You get a chance to diversify, reinvest, or simply adopt any new idea. You need to be creative while planning any event. That is the biggest challenge in this field. You need to be creative in your own way. Professional preparation. Event management is an organized profession. Like every other professional field, it takes training by the best to act, called one of the best. You get to learn, interact, and gain hands on experience from the business expert in this field. So, It needs very much preparation to be in this field, very much training and development. Chance to explore. Now it gives you the chance to broaden your horizons because when it comes to event management, you can only learn by trial and errors, by keeping an open mind and exploring different places, cultural traditions, and customs. Next is career multiplicity and security. Event management also has the advantage of the versatility. As an event manager, you can never run out of your jobs. You need to perform all the activities, whether be it from planning to the execution of the event, that is, operational activities, strategic activities, or tactical activities. Event manager must be ready for each and every circumstances which comes in the event. Freelancing flexibility. Event management offers you a lot of flexibility with freelancing options. So if it isn't likes you a full-time thing for you, then you could simply do whatever fits to you and best, and you can earn at the same time. Now, I hope it is very much clear about the basic concepts of event and event management. So the other parts of module 1 will be covered in the next video sessions. Thank you so much.